It's often difficult to imagine what led a friend, family member, or a celebrity to commit suicide. There may have been no clear warning signs, and you may wonder what clues you might have missed. Often, many factors combine to lead a person to the decision to take their own life. It's often an act made during a storm of strong emotions and life stresses rather than after careful consideration. Let's see some of the reasons why do people commit suicide. If you still didn't subscribe my channel, now subscribe and press the bell icon button to get latest notifications. Number 1. Depression and mental illness. While there are many factors that can influence a person's decision to commit suicide, the most common one is severe depression. Most people make the decision to attempt suicide shortly before doing so impulsively rather than planning it out extensively. Depression can make people feel great emotional pain and loss of hope, making them unable to see another way to relieve the pain other than ending their own life. Number 2. Traumatic stress. A person who has had a traumatic experience, including childhood sexual abuse, rape, physical abuse, or war trauma, is at a greater risk for suicide even many years after the trauma. Being diagnosed with post-traumatic stress disorder or multiple incidents of trauma raises the risk even further. This is partly because depression is common after the trauma and among those with post-traumatic stress disorder, causing feelings of helplessness and hopelessness that can lead to suicide. Number 3. Substance use and impulsivity. Drugs and alcohol can also influence a person who is feeling suicidal, making them more impulsive and likely to act upon their urges than they would be while sober. Substance and alcohol use can contribute to other reasons people commit suicide, such as the loss of jobs and relationships. The rates of substance use and alcohol use disorder are also higher among people with depression and other psychological disorders. Put these together and the risks increase. Number 4. Loss or fear of loss. A person may decide to take their own life when facing a loss or the fear of loss. These situations can include ending a romantic relationships or close relationship, losing a job or being unemployed and unable to find a sufficient source of steady income, financial problems, losing social position, losing your living situation due to financial reasons, or the ending of a relationship, academic failure, losing social or family acceptance due to revealing your sexual orientation, bullying, shaming, or humiliation, including cyberbullying, being arrested or imprisoned. Number 5. Hopelessness. Hopelessness, either in the short term or as a longer lasting trait, has been found in many studies to contribute to the decision to commit suicide. The person may be facing a social or physical challenge and may see no way the situation can improve. While it might seem obvious to an outside observer that things will get better, people with depression may not be able to see this due to the pessimism and despair that go along with this illness. Number 6. Chronic pain and terminal illnesses. If a person has a chronic pain or illness with no hope of a cure or reprieve from suffering, suicide may seem like a way to regain dignity and control of their life. In some states, assisted suicide is legal for this very reason. According to a study in the American Journal of Preventive Medicine, the following health conditions were associated with higher risk of suicide: asthma, back pain, brain injury, cancer, congestive heart failure, diabetes, epilepsy, HIV or AIDS, heart disease, high blood pressure, migraine, Parkinson's disease. Chronic pain can also bring on anxiety and depression, which can also increase your risk of suicide. According to research, people with chronic pain are 4 times more likely to have a depression or anxiety than those who are pain-free. Number 7. Believe your life is a burden to others. A person with chronic pain or a terminal illness can also feel like a burden to others, as it becomes harder and harder to ask for yet another ride to the doctor's office or more help with household duties or assistance paying for hospital bills. In fact, many people who decide to commit suicide often state that their loved ones or the world in general would be better off without them. This type of rhetoric is a common warning sign of suicide. People often see themselves as a burden to others or feel worthless due to the overwhelming emotional burden they are carrying within. Number 8. Social isolation. A person can become socially isolated for many reasons, including losing friends or a spouse, undergoing a separation or divorce, physical or mental illness, social anxiety, retirement, or due to a move to a new location. Social isolation can also be caused by internal factors such as low self esteem. This can lead to loneliness and other risk factors of suicide such as depression and alcohol or drug misuse. Number 9. A cry for help. Sometimes people attempt suicide not so much because they really want to die, but because they simply don't know how to get help. Suicide attempts are not a cry for attention, but a cry for help. It becomes a way to demonstrate to the world just how much they are hunting. Unfortunately, these cries for help may sometimes prove to be fatal. If the person misjudges the lethality of their chosen method, people who make a failed attempt are also at a much higher risk of trying again, and their second attempts are much more likely to be lethal. Number 10. Accidental suicide. There are some situations where what appears to be a suicide is actually an accidental death. The dangerous choking game, also known as pass out challenge, where teens attempt to asphyxiate themselves in order to feel a high, as well as autoerotic asphyxiation are examples. Accidental suicides can also include unintentional overdoses, poisonings, and firearm deaths. You may never know why a person committed suicide. While it might have appeared that someone had everything to live for, it probably didn't feel that way to them. What do you think about suicide? Do let us know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching the video. If you like this, let me know by clicking the like button. Do share, write a comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you can catch up my next video. Thank you.